Hello, so welcome to Karearea HQ. So what we're doing today is a durability test on the new TALON version 2 frame. So if you saw the live stream from yesterday, you guys might have seen us like try and bending the frame, but like we thought that wasn't like quite accurate as like an actual like drone crash. So we were thinking about how we could like possibly mimic a drone crash, and our final answer was to use a golf club and hit the drone as strong as I can, and that way we can actually mimic a quad flying to a wall and crashing because it's a sudden impact. And there's a wood under the drone. That wood is almost the same weight as a 6S battery, so about 200 grams. We put that because the test will be more accurate with a weight on the bottom of the quad, like how usual like quad would have when it's flying. We have a slow-mo camera right there, and we have a rope tied onto the quad for safety reasons, obviously, so it doesn't fly away to like our neighbors. Let's see how this goes. I haven't played golf for like ages, so I don't know if I'm gonna hit it perfectly. But
잠깐만. 자, 이거 뒤에가.
준비됐어?
Ready, go.
It was pretty hard. The battery flew away, and you heard the impact.
나온 거였나 보다.
Oh wow.
Here is impact point.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I guess this is a really strong point because this point is really thick compared to the edge, so that's probably why the quad is like intact.
Then we can try again.
Yeah, we will try again. I just need to find the battery first. So I don't know where it went.
There, over there.
Okay, so
must be tight.
Yeah.
As much as possible. Otherwise, the piece of wood flying to our neighborhood. So it's gonna be dangerous.
Yeah, not gonna be a good ending. Try put it in the middle to evenly distribute the weight. I think that's good enough.
Okay.
Let's try this side now.
The other side.
I'll angle it like this so it will prevent me from hitting the wood. Okay, let's try it again.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, let's go. Nice shot.
Wow! The strap like ripped off.
Wow, so.
Look at that. The strap just completely got ripped off.
And then check
That's the impact point.
That's the impact point. See?
It's fully bent.
Fully bent,
But the whole frame itself is.
it's nothing cracked. Even has no scratches, just flame it.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think that's like. I mean, that's in a really good condition. Like after all
this
that.
point is yesterday I bended by.
Oh yeah, that bit is bent.
Yeah, a little bit slightly bent.
Slightly
Yeah,
bent.
you can see. But still, they got their own shape.
Yeah, so if you're in a race, you can just basically grab some pliers and just like bend it back, and you'll be good to go again.
There's no crack at all. See? Yeah.
Wow.
See, hit the here. Wow, here.
Yeah.
See that?
That's the impact point. As you can see, it's.
See, and then the frame is totally fine. Okay, now we have to hit this. Maybe many people think about this point with the most breakable point, the side, aerodynamic talk about. So let's do it again. Now we have to bring the another strap.
We'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So yeah, that durability test was pretty impressive.
Yeah, actually this is like same as the last one. They already got damaged something here, so exactly same. The frame, it already got the stress for the, you know, with the golf the driver.
Yeah, so this time we're gonna hit the side of the frame. So this you can say that there's like the strop of the frame. So people might think that there's the most weakest point of this frame, like except for the tips. So we're gonna try hitting it with our golf driver right here, and the pot as well. There's actually the pot that we actually like bent with pliers from yesterday, as you can see. And we're just gonna test it out again with the same pot and see what happens. So
okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. Nice shot.
나무 뒤로 갔어.
How's it?
Wow. I think that's the impact point.
Yeah, that is the impact point. See, it's still one piece.
Yeah. So there's a more severe damage than before, but like you can get like a heat gun,
and then you can bend back.
Yeah. So get a heat gun and like warm up the plastic so it gets more flexible, and you can probably bend it back again to its shape. Yeah, but the frame itself is in one piece.
See?
So
Still. Okay. See. It's okay. You don't need to find that anyway.
yeah, that was pretty impressive.
Okay.
Like, it's
여기
also
한번 쳐볼까? 뒤에서 여기 쳐볼까?
yeah. So the wood flew away. So
Wood flew away.
it's like
It's
it went
over
inside
there.
that little.
Yeah.
That
There's bush area. So anyway, we can't find it.
This time we're gonna try hitting the pod and see what happens. How should I put this?
Just put there.
Maybe I should just like.
Yeah. That is a good idea. And then
Yeah, and the ground will also like hold the quad from like flying away too much.
저 카메라 보이나? So now we gotta hit the quad on top.
Yeah, so that's probably the weakest point of the pod because it's the most sharpest point.
Actually, I'm really curious as well. You know.
Yeah, it's actually our first time testing it with the like golf driver. Like even like we like didn't think that the quad would survive like this. So pretty surprised. Okay,
Okay.
let's see how this goes.
Just a minute.
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes, ready. Wow. Nice shot. Was it broken? Probably.
Might have hit the wrong spot.
A long spot.
Yeah.
But anyway, you hit.
We'll need to see that in the slow-mo. We can try that again right now.
Yeah, try it again.
Yeah.
But anyway, hit somewhere around. That's why it's flying away.
Yeah, that's true. That's
But
true.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll bury it.
So here. Is it okay for the camera point?
Yeah.
Too close, not there. 저쪽 조심해야 돼. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's do it again.
Okay, that was a better shot.
Yeah, nice shot.
It might have been cracked. I don't know. Wow! Still in one piece.
Still one piece. See, look at this. See, where is the the golf club?
That's the impact point, as you can see.
Point.
See, that bit is bent.
Here, there.
But, I mean, if you're in a race, this quad will still be good to go.
See,
That's so impressive.
so I guess.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing to say. I mean, it's just like, yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know, man.
yeah. I guess this is better than real crash test. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
So yeah.
I think this video just proves itself. That I mean, how durable this frame is.
This is one piece, has just been bent at all.
Yeah, and the
You
frame
can-
is still like, still rigid.
Still very rigid.
Yeah, wow. I mean, this is a pure racing frame. Like, you wouldn't need to like worry about like changing parts in mid-race. You can just like basically like grab a plier and just like bend it back and you'll be good to go. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching, and that's it for the durability test of the Talon version 2.
Okay. See you guys.